What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Kevin's channel. Today I'm going to unbox this Tanchjim Bunny IEM earbuds. So here's the package. And the front shows you what it looks like. And there's a bunny words on the side. I also mentioned about the pins. It has long pins, and front of back shows you what it looks like. What driver does it have? So it has a double chamber dynamic driver. That's what it uses. So this is an IEM that also support DSP, which you can use it to do things like customize EQ. So let's open it up. They also have an app for you to do that, and with that, DSP only comes with the USB-C version of this. So the USB-C version one will have not just the DAC but also amp. So I got this from Amazon, and it takes like 2 days to ship it to my place, and it's about $38 for this one, for the USB-C version. The 3.5mm jack version cost about $35. They're all Canadian dollars. So you just slide it open from the side. Let's see. Okay. Here's their logo. It's a pretty simple package. Or maybe not. You're gonna slide it open, and then you're gonna open it like a Apple's package. Here we have the earbuds itself in a bag, in a plastic bag. Extra ear tips for you to replace. They're in like small, medium, and large sizes available. And there is another set of that. Interesting. Let's see. Oh, these two are different. One is more narrow, the other one is more open wide. Some manuals here, tells you the warranty as well. Let's put it aside. The thing card. They also give you a pouch for you to put your earbuds in, which is pretty nice to see. Alright, here's the earbuds. So this is the USB-C version. You got the logo on it, their brand name, Alright, trying to let it to pick it up. Not really. Oh, there you go. Okay. This part is made of like plastic rubbery material, but the microphone has metal. I think it's aluminum. And here's the hole for the microphone and a button for play and pause. The button is made with like a transparent color, so you can see through. It also has this way adjustment. The cable is not too bad. It's pretty good. The earbuds. Here we are. So use a 2 pins connection. And that transparent. Looks quite nice. So you got a red dot as right side, and the green dot is the left side. It's pretty lightweight too. There we go. I hope you guys like it for this pretty short unboxing video. Peace.